I've been consulted much more often by clients who are in their 50s, 60s, very seldom in their 70s, but not unheard of, where they've come for advice because they've reached a crossroads in their life where they have no children at home, or they are retired, or one of them is retired, and it's a decision about which road am I going to take, which is along the lines of, do I want more of the same, or I've had enough, I want a new chapter. The difficulties about people who are older is basically, it's not so much personal because that decision is entirely the client's, but how to share our money, where quite often we've amassed pensions. Sometimes the pensions will be in payment, or we have money that's wrapped up in a house, perhaps with no mortgage, and how we get out of all of that with a fair division where they each have a house, where each party has enough income, whether it's from a pension, from the other spouse, or from their own resources, to live comfortably. So when we're looking at, we're doing the same thing at assets that are acquired from the day of the marriage to the day of the separation, but they change shape in that perhaps there is no debt, perhaps the pension is in payment, as I said, and how we go about valuing that and sharing it may be that it's a pension share more than any kind of cash. There are a lot of other factors that we have to consider in working out how we look for a fair division, particularly where in those circumstances you don't have years of employment or none at all. Perhaps health has got to factor. Perhaps you're unable to look in the marketplace because you're looking after an elderly parent. All these factors are things that we can help you with in looking at what a fair division would be in your 50s, 60s, or even older.